Oh my gosh, I screamed. I know, I hurt my ears. Is that a car going off?
Yeah. You want to see what the